Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly next level in luxury travel, the Brabus Motorhome 2026. If you thought Brabus was only about turning high-performance Mercedes-Benz cars into street beasts, think again. They've now taken that same aggressive styling, insane power, and luxurious touch and brought it into the world of motorhomes. This isn't your average RV, this is a rolling mansion, a mobile VIP lounge, and a powerhouse on wheels all rolled into one. Now, when you hear Brabus, you already know you're not dealing with anything ordinary. Every vehicle they touch becomes something extreme, faster, louder, bolder. And the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is no exception. Built on a premium Mercedes-Benz chassis, probably the Sprinter or the larger Actros base, Brabus has completely reimagined what a motorhome can be. From the outside, it looks futuristic and dominant. It's got the signature Brabus styling, matte black finishes, carbon fiber details, oversized wheels, and LED lighting that gives it a commanding presence, whether it's parked at a luxury resort or rolling down the Autobahn dot. But the real magic happens once you step inside. The interior of the Brabus Motorhome 2026 is like stepping into a private jet. We're talking handcrafted leather seats, Alcantara lining, ambient lighting, and high-end wood or carbon finishes. Everything is customizable. Whether you want a minimalist modern design or something warm and classic, Brabus lets you tailor it exactly how you want. Now let's talk tech, because this beast is fully loaded. Smart home systems are integrated throughout. You can control the lighting, climate, blinds, and even entertainment from a central touchscreen or your smartphone. There's a 5G connection built in, so whether you're working remotely or streaming in 4K, it's seamless. The sound system is like being in a private concert hall. Brabus has partnered with top audio brands to deliver a cinematic experience. Right inside your Motorhome, the layout is optimized for both comfort and practicality. You've got a full-size bed with premium bedding, a spa-like bathroom with rainfall shower, and a sleek, modern kitchen with top-tier appliances. The lounge area doubles as a workspace, entertainment hub, and chill zone. Everything is built with purpose and elegance. Even the storage is smart. Hidden compartments, slide-outs, and modular furniture help you make the most of the space. Without any clutter, under the hood, the Brabus Motorhome 2026 doesn't disappoint. Depending on the model, you're looking at an upgraded turbo diesel or even hybrid powertrain tuned by Brabus engineers. That means more torque, more power, and better efficiency. Whether you're heading into the mountains or cruising down the coast, this motorhome handles like a dream. Smooth, powerful, and solid. And yes, it's got all the modern driving assists, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, 360-degree cameras, even automatic leveling when you park. But all this luxury and performance doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is targeted at high-end buyers, celebrities, CEOs, digital nomads with deep pockets, and car lovers who want the best of everything. Prices haven't been confirmed yet, but rumors suggest a starting price well over $500,000, with some fully customized versions pushing past $1 million. Still, for those who can afford it, the Brabus Motorhome 2026 isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. It's freedom, luxury, and performance combined in one unforgettable package. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or just want a home away from home, this machine lets you travel in a way most people only dream about. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more incredible machines like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Let me know, would you travel the world in a Brabus Motorhome?